Got a special delivery. Right. What is it, Joy? Huh? Is that something for you? Well, let's check it out. Okay, we popped it open, and of course, it's a box within a box. And you know how cats are, especially Siamese. Very curious, and I think she just loves the box. All right, let's get the thing open and see what it is. You excited? All right, now we're outside and we're gonna go ahead and put together this Catio from Rywell, and it's supposed to be pretty large,
yeah.
You know, so we think Joy's gonna enjoy it.
Put it together after we open the box.
Yeah. Came in a pretty big box.
Yeah. It's like, whoa.
I thought when I first saw it, it was going to be humongous from that box.
Yeah, this box was in a bigger box. It's always the box in a box.
A box in a box.
Or a box in a box in a box. I don't know why they do that.
You need me to help you?
I'm just trying to get it out of this box. I cut the other boxes.
There we go.
Yep. All right, let's open this all the way up.
These are the instructions. Your favorite, honey?
We don't need instructions.
Oh, look. Pictures.
Oh, I like pictures.
Yeah. Okay. I'll go ahead and move this out of the way.
All right. Take the band off.
Yep. Oh, this is a
top.
This is the top, and this is used for it's for weather. If it rains, it's a good protector, and also if it's cold,
yep.
It covers the top. Move this out of the way. Okay. Like you said, he's not using instructions, but they're here. Okay. It's a 3-tower, which is pretty neat. Has 3 floors.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's collapsible.
You want the instructions?
Yeah.
Okay. So once you get it in this position, you're going to hold the rod at the top and push it down. Push it out of the sides to hold it up. You push it out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just like that.
Okay.
And then it has the extension.
Okay. What next?
Okay. Pull the rope to align and secure the top connecting the holes, not the rope, and insert the latch into the lock hole. There you go. And it just popped into place right there. And now you extend these out. Does it lock?
Yeah. You'll hear a snap where it locks into place.
Okay, go ahead and do this one for me. Oh, there you go. And now we got this one.
There it is.
Okay. That's pretty neat. And then it says on here you can just lock, you can tie this up, lock it in.
Yeah.
We'll just stick it underneath. Okay. Now it has these inserts. And these inserts are
These insert pads are to make the platforms more sturdy.
Right. So they go.
So when your cat walks on them,
Yeah.
okay, you can hold one. And you just insert it in there.
Oh, it's Velcro. Okay, so you opened up the Velcro.
Yeah, open up the Velcro and we stuck that in there. And
Yeah.
we just,
And you re-Velcro it back.
yep. And then zip it back up.
And you do the same on the other side.
There's one in the back.
Okay.
All
I
right.
think we're pretty good. We should have,
We have the poles.
yeah, we got the poles to install, and it also has the hooks to put on the bottom to help it, you know, if it's windy, like right now it's pretty windy.
Everyone knows it's windy.
Yeah.
And
that's gonna
windy has
keep it-
stormy eyes. Anyway.
It's going to keep it stable. Won't take off like a kite. You don't want your cat flying in it.
No.
So,
Flying cat is never good.
no.
Even though they might enjoy the ride, at the end of the ride, it's never good.
No. It's always a landing.
Okay, well, here's the rods. And then you have two different sizes.
Yep. Of course, the larger ones are for the bottom.
Okay, so,
They go through these little loops
right,
and they get connected.
yep. So it has a tip on each end.
Yeah.
These have a hole on each end.
That it
And
goes into.
these tips are going to go into the hole.
Yep. You want me to hold that?
Yep. So, put these through here. That through there. And that through there. And then we'll get the opposite side.
Oh, yeah. The longer ones go down here.
Yeah, because it's spread out more on the bottom.
It makes it pretty tight.
All right.
It's just like putting up a tent.
Yep. Now we do the bottom ones. Same thing, through the little Velcro loops.
Yeah, these loops down here at the bottom are black.
Yeah. Not Velcro, nylon.
What are you talking about, Willis?
Make sure those is snap.
Mm-hmm. goes in like that. Pretty user-friendly.
All right.
It's pretty tight too, huh?
Yeah. Did you get it in?
No. And get your strength on that side. I got it in on that one. Oh, okay. You just pull that. That's easy enough.
Yep.
Okay, now we have these little stakes. The stakes go right here. They have little holes on the end.
Yep, little holes on the bottom if you want to put it in grass.
Yeah.
Little rug for the rock. Or is it a rock rug? Whoa, got a rock rug. You can enter them on either side for the top.
Okay. Now we put a blanket in there. Well, it's like a thermal blanket
pad, yeah.
pad for Joy or Siamese, and we also brought her outdoor
Little bed.
her outdoor bed.
Yeah.
That's what it is. So now we're gonna go get Joy, and we're gonna see what she thinks about it.
Yep.
All right, we got Joy. You want to go see what you got?
Joy. Come on, Joy. Come here, girl. Joy.
Oh, look at it.
Look what you got. Yeah, let's go inside. Yeah. Get in there. Go on. There you go. What do you got, my girl? What is it?
There she is. Checking it out for the first time.
Yeah.
I think she likes it.
I think it's love on the rocks. Ain't no surprise.
You like it? Oh yeah, I love it.
Good girl.
Yeah. Okay, she's on the top level. It's nice and cool for you, huh? We went ahead and put the top on. It gives it a lot of shade. Really easy, right, honey?
Oh yeah.
All you have to do is just hook it in to these little sides right here. And snug.
Waterproof.
Yep. Keeps your pet nice and cool. And I think Joy loves it. Joy, you like it? Yep, it's all yours.
And disassemble is just in reverse is the way you assembled it. First thing I would do is take the top off, since that's the last thing we put on. Okay, second thing to do is just remove the pads, supports that you put inside here. Fold these up. One on the other side. Zip that back up. Then you just take the bars off. Fish it through and just fold them in half. And then you do the same on the other side. The next step is we're going to retract the legs. Okay. And then the next step, we're going to pull up on this, release the latch. We want to push down on these and lift this up a little bit, and that unlocks it. And then we just fold it and fold it in. And that's pretty much it. Now that we got it strapped, just put it back in this carrying case. And after you got in the bag, zip it up, and that's it. You're ready to go to the next spot for your cat.
All right, we want to thank
Rywell.
for sending over this Catio.
Oh yeah.
For Joy. She definitely loves it. It's so easy to put together.
Oh, simple.
Yep. And you can actually get attachments for it. It has where you can add a tunnel and another little
Section to it.
Catio.
Yeah.
Section to it. So,
Yeah. So they can have a nice little playground to, play, to go back and forth in.
Yep.
Real nice.
Yep.
Well made.
We appreciate y'all sending it.
Oh yeah.
And again, there's going to be a link in the description if you're wanting one for your animal.
Yeah.
Yep. Thank you for watching.
Yep.
If you can, please like.
And subscribe.
Yep. Leave a comment.
And a thumbs up.
Share us out.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, bye.
Bye.